What is up, everybody? Jason, aka Jester, and welcome back to 7 Days to Die. Today, we're giving a second go to the Glock 9 2-hour challenge. We almost had it on our first try. We got to 2:30, but man, those 90-minute days make for a long, long night. And the house kind of came down around us. And I don't really want to blame the frame rate, but our frame rate got really bad, like 7 frames per second at one point. So we've taken a few steps now. We're down to 1920 by 1080 because for some reason we were set to 4K. Capable of running 4K, but recording and playing, different story. I know a lot of people have had issues with this game, so hopefully some optimizations coming in the future. The setup is the same. We are on insane mode, 90-minute nights, 64 spawns. We have 7 stacks of range, 7 stacks of shotgun, half a stack of iron, stack of concrete, half a stack of wood, half a stack of steel, couple stacks of cobblestone, some repair kits, a junkie, a nail gun. We've got a couple of guns there, a shotgun and a rifle. I also have a melee weapon, a pickaxe, an axe, and a couple of stacks of throwables. A little bit of food, a little bit of medicine. You guys remember the drill from last time. And if you haven't watched Glock's original video, I will put a link in the description because thank God for somebody coming out and doing these challenges. So the story is that we have to go into the POI and we have to take 2 game hours. So we have from 2000 hours until 2200 hours in order to actually get set up and reinforced and fight the horde. So let's just open the teleporter and let's see what we get here. I don't know, somewhere in that neighborhood. Okay, this is giving me the same vibes as the other one did. But let's get in here and let's see what we can do. I feel like it's going to be a place where we're going to die. But let's jump in here. Let's turn off all of this. Let's set the time and let's freaking go. I'm going to try to clear this as quickly as possible. Wow. That's not good. This place is going to fall quickly. Shapes. We got to make shapes immediately. You son of a... Damn it! I gotta quit doing that. We've honestly got no point of retreat here. Alright, this is right around the corner, so let's just go ahead and start clearing this out and reinforce. This is going to give us a second point to where we can fight from. We can go back and forth. Maybe it'll help confuse the horde a little bit and prolong the building life just a touch. Alright, we are out of iron. We are also out of time. This ought to be a shit show, but let's go anyway. Alright, we're still working on the bases. Horde night comes up. Screw it. Horde night, guys. Let's see if we can make it. Alright, let's get a little fire down there, and let's start a little bit of damage. And yeah, maybe a little bit of machine gunning. Okay, we don't want to kill them too fast. We kind of want them to not respawn quite so much. Ooh, wait a minute. Is that's taking out the floor. Oh, this might help. We might be good here. Alright, let's go over here and check out the other side. Let's see if they're coming in this way pretty hard. No, doesn't look like it. Let's throw a little fire down there. That'll be a deterrent. Alright, back to this side. Okay, I'm making the call early on this one. We're going to be using mostly shotgun. I'm going to try to reserve my actual ranged weapon for what I hope to be the end run in the morning when we have to go and clear this out. It'll be a little bit easier if we have most or all of our ammo at that point. So we're just going to try to do as much damage as we can with the shotgun and maybe a few pipe bombs. I think that's going to be our strategy for this particular try. My God, it's barely an hour in and we're hearing a beat everywhere. This is insane. They are coming back this way. Let's get a pipe bomb down there. That ought to do a little bit. Maybe throw some fire. Yeah, let's do that. Man, I know that down there is just all wood. I don't know how long this place is going to hold. Let's just hope for the best. Glock, buddy, if you're listening, thank you so much for the challenge, but you are sick in the head, my friend. This challenge is almost undoable. We haven't even hit midnight. That wall's gone. It's insane. I'm a pretty big fan, though, of the system we're trying to run, where we're going back and forth between the two areas. I think in the end that's going to be great for us. Okay, let's see if we can get him over here. And okay, oh god, it's gone. Oh, it's almost over. They're gonna get through. This whole place is coming down real soon. Okay, let's just try to reinforce a little bit up here. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh god, it's down. It's down. Is it? Oh god. Okay, get out of there, Jake. No. Is it? Where is it all coming down? Is it all? Oh, it's all. Oh, come on, leave me something. It's all coming down. Oh Jesus! Can we get on this? Oh, come on. Maybe for a minute. Oh, not even parkour can do that. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's on foot from here. We've got 3 hours to dodge and dip and duck and dive and dodge. This is... Oh, God, there's animals. We're in deep shit here, guys. This is not what I hoped for. But I expected this. I knew this building was not going to hold very long. Oh. All right, we've got the skills, so I think we can do it. Let's keep bobbing and weaving, and let's see how it goes. Okay, 2 a.m., painkiller. Oh, yep, run, god damn. Oh, man, this is getting sweaty. This is really getting sweaty. But we're dodging okay, we're doing all right, our health looks good. We just cured our infection, everything's looking good. We're okay, we just gotta keep dodging them. I'm trying not to spend any ammo. Just don't spend any ammo, Jay. Just dodge them until the end. Save it for later. Okay, 3 a.m. Okay, just another hour. Why am I so frantic? It's just a freaking video game. Glock, I swear to God you're a sadist. I swear. I love you, and I love the content, man. Thank you again for the challenge, but God, I'm feeling so sweaty right now. Why am I so scared of a video game? All right, we're still chugging. We can still get there from here. 4 a.m.'s right around the corner. Okay, we're nearing time now. Let's make sure that everything's ready with the tack. Let's get switched over. Yeah, looks good. Let's make sure we're in as good a spot as we can be in here to just unload on this giant horde in just a few more minutes. We're gonna get this one this time. We got it. I know we got it. 4 a.m. My turn. Ow! Don't... Come on! Why is there so many? Oh, that's why. Screamers everywhere. Oh my God, game, come on. Come on, fun pimps. This is not pimp fun. This is not pimp anything. This is absolute just mayhem and chaos. But I kind of like it. Come on. Send it at me. We're gonna run out of ammo. This is gonna end up being a shotgun fight. Oh man. Okay, all right, we're still kicking. 5:20 in the morning. Fuck, another screamer. Come on. Why are there so many screamers? This is insane after a max horde to get hit. That's literally like 25 screamers that have popped. There's nothing I can do about that. This is not fair. Come on, junkie. We totally forgot to put you down, but don't let me down now. We'll be back for you. Keep firing. Keep firing. Oh, yep, bitch, I see you back there. Yeah, I see you back there, irradiated fucking screamer. No, there's another one. Oh my God. This is insane. I mean, I guess it is on insane difficulty, right? I don't even think the horde's getting thinned out at all. They just keep calling more in. Oh my God, we're almost out of 762. There's another irradiated screamer. Oh, Jesus. The humanity. Okay, what goes first here? The ammo or the gun? It's the gun. All right, shotgun fight it is. There's so many more screamers. Oh God, there's 3 screamers in that little pack. Oh God, I can't. We are not gonna die now. We are not dying now. Oh dear God, we almost starved to death. All right, get Mom's spaghetti out. My God, just eat it all. Just eat it all. Okay. I think they're thinning down. I mean, fuck, it's been 3 hours since the horde actually ended. But I don't call this a win until we kill them all. We're gonna kill them all, baby. They're all gonna die. Oh, man, I'm so worn out right now. It is now 8 a.m. The next horde night just lit up on the day 7001 horde, and we're still fighting from the night before. Oh, the absolute irony. I'm in love with this fight. They're definitely getting thinned down. I'm hoping by the end of this hour. God damn, these screamers. They've just been constant. I'm hoping by the end of this hour we can make this happen. That's right, assholes. Line up. Come on. Come on. I got you now. We're over the top of this horde. Unless there's a bunch of screamers that keep showing up, we're going to be okay here. We're going to be okay. We did it! Oh, there's another screamer back there, though. Let's take care of her. Bye. Holy God, my hands are a sweating mess. Jeez Louise. Wow, thank you, Glock, so much for putting the challenge out there. That was amazing. Man, I don't know if I've got the guts to try that again. The house went so early. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of content, please give the video a like. Think about subscribing. Also, check out the new TikTok if you like food videos, because there's going to be a bunch of 1-minute recipes over there coming very, very soon. Till next time, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.